Hello SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this is the good news video for all SafeMoon holders. Hope you're feeling good about the SafeMoon. My friends, what's going on in this time in the SafeMoon, and that is the good news. Personally, in this time I'm feeling very good about the SafeMoon, and because now at this time today is a good day for all cryptocurrencies holders, because now today the every cryptocurrencies price changes is positive. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the cryptocurrencies market is positive, my friends. Same like it, the SafeMoon price change is also positive. That's why I'm feeling good about the SafeMoon, and I hope you also feeling good about the SafeMoon, my friends. Now at this time only the latest last 60-minute price change is negative, except after last 60-minute changes the last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the SafeMoon as positive, my friends. You can see here, my friends. So if these changes is positive, that's mean that the SafeMoon start pumping, and absolutely they will continue this pump for long term, and you will get good amount of profit about your SafeMoon, my friends. Now this time the price of the SafeMoon is 0.000003 USD total. That is the latest price change of the SafeMoon. And let me show you further more about the SafeMoon, the price chart. My friends, from the price chart that's clear for everybody, that is the last 3 month price chart of the SafeMoon, and the price of SafeMoon is very badly falls down from the previous last 3 months. You can see I'm talking about the average changes, and the previous 3 month period they also take a jump, but the whole chain is open in the SafeMoon as negative, the average change, my friends. And now in the end of June the SafeMoon start pumping, and absolutely, my friends, after a great fall they start pumping. So there's necessary for SafeMoon that they will continue this pump for long term, and I'm sure that SafeMoon will continue this pump for long term, my friends. So now this time my personal recommendation for all of you is that please hold SafeMoon. If you're a holder of SafeMoon, so that's good news for you to SafeMoon start pumping. Please hold for long term. I hope you will get a good amount of profit, or profit if you hold for long term. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Subscribe now.